Good morning, everyone. My name is Shravya, the first year computer science and design. The startup company is Machine Master and Tech Manufacturers, and product present name is Self Cleaning Machine, and product proposed name is Auto Scrubber Dryer. The empathizing, mentioning the sum of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, tab system. Second one, voice recognition. And third one is automatic washing sensor. Defined the based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of the customers. New features are added to the existing product. Existing product is a self-cleaning machine and futuristic product name is auto scrubber dryer. And ideate some of the additional feature to be added to other mentioned here. First one is tab system, second is voice recognition, and third one is automatic washing machine, and fourth one is to dry the cleaning, and fifth one is core system requirement. And the prototype in the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. Nesting. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.